Bottled water, like sodding gold dust. One day, Owie, no more roadblocks and checkpoints. Just you and me and the bikes. Open road for miles. All this bullshit far away. I swear to soul. Question. Could I take Quincy down if he turned on me? Stop sniffing around my head, Eleanor. If I want to talk, I'll talk. Yeah, we can hold this place. Don't know why we even bothered with that cleaning rota. We'll find you, Doctor. That's a promise. We need to keep Letty on her feet. If she goes, we all go. Still too open. We need more choke points. Well, Emir's still alive. That's a win.